Hey YouTube, thanks so much for watching my raspberry vinegar video. First, add about a cup of fresh raspberries. These are fresh picked, they're wild. About a tablespoon of sugar. This is raw sugar. I'm using packets, that's how cheap I am. Mix it together. Let it sit for about 10 minutes. And then smash it all together. If you like my videos, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell. A wide variety of recipes, uploaded often. Once it's that consistency, it's ready. Add it to a jar. About a quarter cup of olive oil. This is cheap olive oil. More expensive is better. About a cup and a half of balsamic vinegar. About a tablespoon of honey. About a half a teaspoon of salt. Shake it real good for a couple minutes, and it's ready. This vinegar stays good in the refrigerator for a long time. For presentation, here's some Swiss chard, fresh out of my garden. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.